Hey guys, it's Patrick here with Parabolic Trading. I just wanted to do a quick reminder here. As you see my screen, I'm actually doing my homework for tomorrow in the market. But I just wanted to give you a reminder, let you know that tomorrow night we will be having a free webinar hosted live here on YouTube, where you can come ask questions that you have about trading. Maybe you want to get some ideas on some stocks and potentially how to play them. But more importantly, what I'm going to show you tomorrow night is I'm going to show you a profitable pattern that you can learn, that it's not real hard. It's pretty simple, right? It's a profitable pattern that you can use each and every day, right? Each and every day to make money in this market, either to the upside or to the downside. See, and this is the one thing that I have found out that a lot of trainers that teach other students how to day trade. One of the problems they have is that they teach students one or two patterns in a market, and unfortunately, the market has to be perfect for that pattern to work correctly, whether it's to the upside or to the downside. I'm going to teach you a pattern that you can play to the long side and to the short side and make money the next day. Okay. Again, it's not something I would recommend that you do, which was come to a webinar, learn a pattern, and the next day go trade live. But again, what I recommend is coming tomorrow night, attending the webinar, learn the pattern, and then put it into your paper trading practice, and you can make some serious money. And I'll actually show you the pattern that I used on Friday, using the same thing, and how I was able to rip like serious profits. So it's amazing, right? So for those that have already seen my JNUG video from Friday, basically it. I'm going to teach you how to play the VWAP, right? So come tomorrow night, 8 o'clock, right? Come here. I will actually answer all your questions that you have regarding training, and I will show you a profitable pattern. But again, as you can see, it should be an interesting week in the market, right? This is the charting software that I use to go through each and every sector. This is what I do. This is part of my Sunday night scan, where I'll go through. I'll look at all the different indexes, or the indices, whatever, however you want to say those. And I can go through there, and I can actually go through and I can just quickly scan through and see which ones stick out to me, which is potential plays that I might want to put on my watch list. Actually, on Sunday night, I'll probably go through all these different indices up here and all the stocks listed within them. I will flag the ones that look good to me, and then I'll go back through and then I'll whittle down my list to the best potential plays. I'll put on my list, and then of course tomorrow morning I'll look at the gaps, find out which gap plays look to be more interesting, and then I'll adjust my list accordingly. But again, I just wanted to kind of touch base one more time and let you all remind you all that tomorrow night we will have a free webinar where you can come and learn a free day trading pattern. It's not going to cost you a damn thing. You come here, you learn a free pattern, go make some money. Hey, only thing I ask in return is just a thank you, right? A thank you. Maybe subscribe. Maybe give me a thumbs up. Something. I mean, again, I want to be able to share this information with as many people as possible when it comes to teaching many people how to gain their financial independence and gain their financial freedom, especially in this really, really troubling time of this the COVID-19 pandemic, where many people are losing their jobs or being laid off, or they have no idea when they're going to go back to work. If you have some extra cash, or if you have some time, if you have some free time, like you have the time to learn something new to make you a little bit more profitable for yourself. Again, remember, many of us work for companies, and at the end of the day, we've made them money, right? And how much did we come out ahead? Probably not as much as we help the company themselves. So again, this is your time, this is your opportunity to learn something, to do something for yourself, for your family, for your wife, for your kids, for your for maybe for your community, right? Maybe you're one of those altruistic people that want to make some money and just give it back to the community. That's great. That's awesome. These are the kind of people I want to come tomorrow night to learn how to make to make profitable trades and to be profitable on a daily basis. It's out there. They're every day. This is the pattern I show you tomorrow night. You can use this almost every damn day in the market, no matter how the market is. Sometimes you rip some really, really nice trades. Sometimes, as long as you're making double your risk, that's all that really matters. So again, come tomorrow night, 8 o'clock, YouTube, live, Parabolic Trading Webinar, free. All right, see you then, guys.